in harmony with nature. Gently smile along when the flowers green. Freely fly along when butterflies glide. Divulge the wild exuberance within. Set your worldly tribulations aside. Pace along with ever-ebullient breeze. Crazily dance along with the bumblebees. Snatch the heavenly rhythm of singing trees. Make your earthly edginess smoothly flee. Grow along with those pretty little sprouts. Pierce the rigid barrier, make your own route. Walk along with a trail of busy ants. Overhear them reciting success chants. Live in harmony with nature ever, for she will teach life lessons forever.